Hi all, welcome back to my channel Trade with N Capital. Today we have made around 36,000 profits, and let's quickly jump into the market analysis. What was my initial expectation, and again how I had to change my view based on price action. If you can see the daily candle pattern, Nifty has almost fell from 26,300 down to I think 25,900, right? And yesterday the formation of wick has given me some sense of confidence that there won't be another red candle. Either it will be a doji or maybe some kind of pullback expected, right? So I was actually initially thinking that I will only look for CE setups, but then to my surprise, I've seen market did some quick moves towards downside, right? uh, the initial first candle, this one, right? And it came pretty quick, and I had actually entered in PE trade, because as I always say, we being option buyers, you have to be very quick in making decisions, and you should follow the trend. And I follow one good advice from Subhash sir. What he said during one of his videos was, you have to ride the boat quick in order to have a long ride. So I take it very serious, and I enter quickly into the trade so that I'll get an opportunity to hold it longer and to increase our profits, right? So assuming that um, in 1 minute time frame, once I saw this green candle being formed here, I've just did my initial entry and entered with only a couple of lots. And once I saw this pullback, I mean after this green candle and then coming back for a pullback, I've entered somewhere here, right? And here I've entered with my another quantity like 350, uh, but again it took my stop loss. I had to accept it. I think I made around 18k loss. And immediately what I observed was, if you look at in the 5 minute time frame, you can see a very big green engulfing candle, right? In my experience, this happens only when you see strong momentum in the opposite direction. So after I've seen this green candle, I again thought of maybe trend is reversing, and I'm a buyer. I have to be pretty quick in making decisions, right? And I've entered somewhere here on the top. Once I saw that the price is moving above this zone, I entered here. And once I got the confirmation from the market that yes, it is taking upward direction, I've entered full quantity of 900 quantity in Sensex in this area, and it is good enough for me. I've booked around 55,000 in 84,900 Sensex call. But since we had losses in the first trade, now overall the take home for today is 36,000, right? Um, so I understand I've missed this big trend. It is close to 200 points. That is around 1,80,000. But as I always say, my target is around 30 to 40k per day. If it is not meeting, then I would take stop loss. If it is getting me one or two trades, I'll be happy for that day and I'll close it, right? Because there are so many scenarios where I usually wait, and then I had to accept losses. So we'll take it slow. There are no hurries. Again, I would say markets are there here for your entire life. And one more important thing, I'm not a full-time trader. I have another full-time job, and I do trading as a part-time. Okay, I think that's it for today. uh, Do subscribe and like my video if you want any further analysis. Thank you so much. Guys, hold on. So before I end this video, so what I did was I've captured the live trades, even though I cannot add my commentary while I'm trading, because that would be really tough to focus both on the trades and also giving the commentary. So I've just recorded my screen and I'll share it with you guys. uh, it might help you to understand how you should hold the trades and how you should cut the losses. Okay. Thank you so much.